Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to get add-ons in Google Forms. Add-ons are incredibly useful tools that can extend the functionality of your forms, whether you need advanced form management, automated responses, or integration with other apps. Let's walk through how to access and install them. First, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where you want to manage your forms, as this determines which forms and add-ons you'll have access to. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. Here, you'll see a section labeled Recent Forms, which displays the forms you've worked on most recently. Navigate to this section and click on the form where you'd like to install add-ons. This opens up the form editor where you can make changes and add new features. Now, take a look at the right panel of your screen. You'll notice a 3 dotted lines icon, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Get Add-ons. This action will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is essentially a library of tools and extensions designed specifically for Google products like Forms. Once the marketplace opens, you'll see a search bar at the top along with various categories of apps below. You can either type the name of a specific add-on you're looking for in the search bar, or you can browse through the available apps to discover new tools that might be useful for your needs. When you find an add-on you want, click on it to view more details, then click the Install button. A permissions window will pop up next. Click Continue to proceed. Google will then ask you to confirm which account you want to use for the installation, so click Continue again. This step is important because it grants the add-on permission to access your form data and interact with your Google account. Make sure you're comfortable with the permissions being requested before moving forward. After the installation completes, you'll receive a confirmation message. At this point, your add-on is ready to use. To access it, navigate to the upper right panel of your form editor. You'll see a button labeled Add-ons. Click on it, and a menu will appear listing all the add-ons you've installed. Simply select the add-on you want to use, and it will open with its own set of features and options tailored to enhance your form. And that's it. You've successfully installed and accessed add-ons in Google Forms, giving you more control and functionality over how you collect and manage responses. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.